See, I'm going to explain a few important points regarding this JEE exam, upcoming JEE exam. So, first, chemistry, we know that three parts, organic. So, maximum organic is from class 12th. Organic maximum is there in the class 12th only. Okay. Physical chemistry, class 11th and 12th, both is there. And inorganic chemistry maximum, that is NCERT only. I will tell you that important points. Even last time also I given you some specific topics. From those topics maximum questions are there. Easily you can cross check that in each paper 10 to 13 questions are there. 10 to 13 questions. Okay, right. In the organic, from which area we can expect the question? See, in the organic, acidic strength, acidic and basic strength, acidic and basic strength, that is Ka and Kb, as well reactivity order. From these two topics, one question may ask. Okay, 90% probability is there. One question we can expect from acidic strength and basic strength, reactivity order. In that acidic strength also, phenol, benzoic acid and amines. Amines में कुछ exception रहता है. Okay, primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay, it is not in proper order. So tertiary is very less. Okay. Similarly, in case of aniline also, in benzoic acid and aniline, SIR effect is there. So exceptions are there. That's why those topics are important. Right? Acidic strength, basic strength, and reactivity order. And some students will do the mistake. They will ask you that pKa, which is the higher pKa. Okay, they will confuse that Ka or pKa. क्या difference क्या है? See, Ka is acidic strength is directly proportional to Ka, right? pKa higher asking means nothing but low acidic strength they are asking. Okay, right? So confusion होने का chances है. So that's why I am telling you again. They will ask you Ka, which has higher Ka value, or 90% question is asking pKa value. pKa value higher means Ka value least. Acidic strength is least. Okay. Then reactivity order में benzene and carbonyl compounds, ये दो टॉपिक्स में reactivity order. Rare cases में alkenes reactivity order also they may ask. Okay, reactivity order. What are the topics? Alkenes, carbonyl compounds and benzene ring. Suppose benzene and chlorobenzene is there. Chlorobenzene is less reactive than benzene, and toluene is more reactive than benzene. Okay, when electron donating groups are there, then the reactivity is increasing due to electron density is increasing. Okay, next. Second question we can expect from named reactions. From all named reactions, as well if we include named reaction तो separate नहीं होता है, इसके साथ reagents भी होगा. Named reactions and reagents like lithium aluminium hydride, sodium borohydride. Why I am writing this? Because here exceptions specific is there. Lithium aluminum hydride can do all functional groups reduction, but sodium borohydride can do only few, like aldehyde, ketone, as well as acid chloride. Okay. So next, some other reagents like maximum reagents will cover in the named reactions also. Suppose Wolff-Kishner reduction is there, Clemmensen reduction is there. Okay, right? Rosenman reaction is there. Okay, so these reagents. Okay, next, So from this question, named reaction and reagents, maximum one question easily we can expect. Okay, see many reagents are there, I am writing few here. Next, distinguish test and functional group test. Distinguish test and functional group, of course दोनों same है almost. Functional group test. Many times they ask the question, you can see the PYQs also, इधर से एक question पूछ रहे हैं, distinguish test, how can you distinguish primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols, primary, secondary, tertiary amines, या aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Okay, right. Next, functional group test, suppose aldehyde and ketone. Mainly functional group test में एक exceptionally asking that iodoform test ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पूछ रहे हैं. iodoform test. Okay, so distinguish test and functional group test ये similar है, so इसमें से हम एक क्वेश्चन एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते, राइट. नेक्स्ट, ether formation and cleavage. Ether formation and cleavage, how it is cleaving, how it is forming. Okay, if any tertiary alkyl group is there, it is following SN1 mechanism. If primary, secondary is there, it is following SN2 mechanism in case of ether formation. Okay, then rearrangement products are there. Sometimes rearrangement products as well. Some applications are there. Some applications like suppose intramolecular aldol condensation. Okay, so aldol condensation already named reaction में हो गया था, लेकिन उसका application पूछते. Application में it is not only one reaction, more than one reactions it will cover. Okay, rearrangements and applications. See, these areas are there. See how much you can do. See, named reaction तो fixed था. Reagents also, whatever given in NCERT, maximum इतना enough है. Distinguish test and functional group test वो भी fixed था. आज chapter में ending में रहता है. ठीक है. Ether formation and cleavage. Here iodoform test I mentioned. थोड़ा more weightage for these questions. Okay. Next, organic में maximum this much. Okay, sometimes they are asking in organic the stereochemistry related questions. How many isomers can form? Suppose N-pentane is there. How many isomers it can form by monohalogenation? And how many products are there? That type of question asking. Okay, 4 questions from this area easily we can expect. Next, inorganic. Okay, in the inorganic topics, say I will give you few inorganic. Before inorganic, that general chemistry I will tell first. General chemistry. See the advantage here, maximum memory based है general chemistry में. What are they? Polymer. From only polymer one question we can expect. Simple. From polymers only. Polymers. ये polymers में hardly 20 monomers structures are there. You have to remember that 20 monomers. If you know the monomers how to join and polymer is forming. Okay, polymers में 20 structures are there. In that, if you go little depth, just textbook, NCERT textbook enough. Okay, few are forming condensation, few are forming just addition polymers. Addition and condensation. Condensation में क्या होता है? जनरली amide formation होता है. Amide, whenever carboxylic acid and amide is forming, one water molecule is living, that is the condensation. Okay, so condensation polymers and addition polymers. Okay, then polymer structure, more than 70% they are asking directly uh, identifying the polymers. Suppose example, in the bakelite, what are the monomers are present, which monomers are present in the bakelite? Nylon 66 is there, what are the monomers? This type of questions asking. Okay, so थोड़ा next level में पूछेगा what are the biodegradable polymers, PHBV. Okay, few are there, biodegradable polymers. And some polymers usage, suppose bakelite switchboards में use करते हैं. Okay, so high density polythene and low density polythene. Okay, some other suppose Teflon coating. Okay, what is the Teflon? CF2 like that. Next, ये limited है. Second one is environmental chemistry plus chemistry in everyday life. From these two topics, 100% one question we can expect, or I can say from these three topics, two questions compulsory. From these three topics, two question 100%. Very limited syllabus. Suppose NCERT में नहीं है तो वो क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. Okay, environmental chemistry में which topics you have to focus? See, environmental chemistry में pollution का कुछ limitations given. Okay, poisonous elements, suppose lead, how much percent maximum threshold level. एयर में, एटमॉस्फेयर एयर में कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड का लेवल, थ्रेशोल्ड लेवल क्या है? ओके, सपोज लीड इज मोर इज देयर इन द वाटर, व्हाट डिसीज विल गेट इट, वो डिसीज का नेम. ओके, सो दोज ऑल गिवन इन दैट. Maximum here in the environmental chemistry में pollution, regarding pollution they will ask, regarding pollution. Okay, the polluting agent threshold levels. Okay, कुछ रहता है ppb में, कुछ रहता है ppm में, ppb ppm like that. Okay, more poisonous elements are in the ppb. कभी कभी ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे इजीली BOD, regarding BOD. Okay, maximum BOD is there means more pollutant water, that is less BOD है तो ठीक है, right? So from these three topics, two questions we can expect. Next, biomolecules. Chapter थोड़ा बड़ा है. Biomolecules. See, no need to go all. ठीक है, लेकिन few points I will tell, just to go through that. Only few points. Okay, so here in this disaccharide में focus करना है maximum. Disaccharides. Disaccharides okay, disaccharides में maximum all are reducing sugars, one sucrose only non-reducing sugar. Okay, non-reducing sugar as well. वो linkage पता चलना है. Linkage, galactose is there. What is the galactose? It's a combination of two monosaccharides. As well, maximum होता है C1C4 linkage. एक sucrose केस में C1C2 linkage रहता है. Okay, that C1C2 linkage or C1C4 linkage is there. Okay, hardly 3 or 4 is given in the NCERT, but that much enough. Okay, but remembering factors I am telling you, disaccharides में reducing and non-reducing. Next, how those are linkage. Okay, next in this next topic is amino acids are there. Next topic is इसमें amino acids. Amino acids, 20 amino acids are there. Structures, you have to see 2-3 days, just go through that. 20 amino acids. Maximum time they are asking amino acid structure. If you know 100%, you can answer here. What type of question? Which is acidic amino acid, which is basic amino acid. Okay, sometimes they will give amino acid link. They will ask you which amino acids are there. मतलब they are giving amino acid, just we have to identify which amino acids are there. कभी structure देते, कभी short form में letters देते. Alanine, glycine, alanine मतलब ALA, glycine GLY. Okay, they will give the code form. Okay, you have to identify. और amino acid में which is a basic amino acid, neutral amino acid, acidic amino acid, essential and non-essential. है तो only 20. तो classification based on many types, based on different factors. Okay. Next इसमें vitamins. Third one, vitamins. Vitamins तो in lower classes also you learn so much. B, C is water dissolvable, remaining sub fat dissolvable. और विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी, ए विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी क्या होता है, बी विटामिन किसका रिलेटेड है, सी विटामिन क्या है. ओके, दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आस्किंग, सिंपल. देन प्रोटीन्स में प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शियरी एंड क्वाटरनरी स्ट्रक्चर्स आर देयर. वो सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर क्यों बन रहे, मतलब ड्यू टू द वैन डर वाल फोर्सेस. टर्शियरी कैसे, टर्शियरी इज ड्यू टू हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. सपोज हीट किया, डीनेचुरेशन हो गया, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, द प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर कोलैप्स, बट द सीक्वेंस विल नॉट कोलैप्स, द सीक्वेंस विल बी रिमेन सेम. ओके, based on that just conceptual question is there. Okay, no need to go depth, just थोड़ा idea होना चाहिए बस. Okay, so in the biomolecule disaccharide one topic, amino acid structure go through that. Vitamins तो question अभी एक table है, go through the table, that's enough. It is also table, this one amino acid also table is there, and vitamin also one table is there, that's enough. This one also table from NCERT. Okay, so organic and general chemistry, this one. Then physical chemistry, you can take one screenshot. Physical chemistry question we can expect from structure of atom 100%. लेकिन if you did already revision, go through this, otherwise no need. Okay, हाँ, at least इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसे लिखते उतना देखो बस. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, ओके, इजी टॉपिक्स, अभी ज्यादा लर्न करने का नहीं, बस ऑलरेडी यू नो easy topics only I am telling, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन आता है ऐसा, how many unpaired electrons are there. Okay, so magnetic moment calculate करना है. Okay, for that you have to know electronic configuration. Okay, and sometimes they are asking, they will give you electronic configuration, just you have to identify which is the wrong method. Okay, so electronic configuration. Okay, easy topics, easy to hard. I am going. Next, second level में डायरेक्ट फार्मूलास फोटोकेमिकल इफेक्ट में that formula, then Heisenberg uncertainty principle formula, okay, de Broglie formula, okay, after that three formulas plus radius and energy when electron moving in a first orbit, a second orbit, how much radius is there, what is the r value, as well what is the energy e value, energy and radius. Total 5 formulas are there, 5 formulas. बस इतना लर्न करो, बस इससे ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं. 5 formulas. नेक्स्ट पीरियडिक टेबल, उसमें तो पूरा इनऑर्गेनिक में कवर हो जाएगा, सो नो नीड टू डू दैट. देन नेक्स्ट केमिकल बॉन्डिंग. Chemical bonding. In the chemical bonding, important maximum 1% compulsory we can expect. So that is hybridization, as well geometry. Maximum question is asking either from this topic or from MOT, molecular orbital theory. ये दोनों से क्वेश्चन 99% इसमें से आने का चांस है. और रेयर केस में मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट म्यू वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, सो मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग फ्रॉम दिस MOT. व्हाट इज दैट? सपोज O2 they will give. In the O2, is it paramagnetic or diamagnetic? What is the bond order? Okay, or they will give you like this: O2 N2 plus O2 minus 2. Okay, where the bond length is more, where the bond length is less. Or among this, how many are paramagnetic, how many are diamagnetic? Okay, that type of question based on MOT. It is very easy topic. 14 electrons है तो diamagnetic, bond order 3. 14 से आगे भी पीछे भी जाओ, वो बॉन्ड ऑर्डर कम हो जाएगा. ओके, राइट. Here mu equal to formula is there, under root of n into n plus 2. Here n is number of unpaired electrons. Okay, chemical bonding में maximum ये चांस है. Next, equilibrium. Okay, I am telling very few topics. Next, equilibrium chapter actually 11th and 12th में है, so big chapter it is. So what you will do, you go a few topics in this chapter. One is important topic is here, Le Chatelier principle. ये कॉन्सेप्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, अभी पढ़ने का नहीं. Le Chatelier principle, कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो फ्रॉम दिस. Le Chatelier principle, is it visible now? Or I will write here. Next, Kc and Kp relation. Kc and Kp relation. Okay, here Kc Kp relation में you have to see that how many moles, number of say solids as well, pure liquids no need to consider. While you are converting Kc and Kp, their delta Ng value is there. Okay, so delta Ng is only gas you have to consider. Next, values. Next pH में 3 types of pH. Strong acid, strong base pH. अभी तो पूछेगा नहीं तुमको, that is very low level pH. Strong acid, strong base. तुमको पूछेगा weak acid, weak base का पूछेगा, नहीं तो बफर सॉल्यूशन का पूछेगा. बफर सॉल्यूशन, weak acid, weak base या buffer solution pH. Direct formulas are there, you can apply. Next important topic है, इसमें स्टार मार्क रख सकते हैं, solubility. Solubility question. Okay, from this area 99%, 95% chances are there from this chapter. एक तो Lee-Chatelier principle, this pH, buffer solution, weak acid, weak base and solubility. इतना तो देखो, ये 4 topics from this chapter. Next, fourth, thermodynamics. Thermodynamics में just you go through the last one is Gibbs energy, delta G. Delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S. ओके, और स्पॉन्टेनियस कब है, नॉन स्पॉन्टेनियस कब है, एक देखना है. दूसरा रिएक्शन एंथैल्पी, इट विल टेक मोर टाइम. ओके, वो बस थर्मोडायनामिक्स से ये करो. दूसरा वर्क रिलेटेड फार्मूलास, W रिवर्सिबल, W irreversible is there. Okay, go through this 2 formulas as well. Delta S formula. Okay, thermochemical reaction से we can expect the question, but it will take time. If you did already revision, then you can go through that thermochemistry also. Okay, thermochemistry में सबसे easy है लेकिन time taking process. Okay, you have to do all additions. प्रोडक्ट में एडिशन करना है, माइनस रिएक्टेंट में एडिशन करना है. कोई दूसरा क्वेश्चन नहीं आते तो समथिंग बेटर. सो थर्मोकेमिस्ट्री में एंथैल्पी कैलकुलेशंस, एंथैल्पी डेल्टा एच कैलकुलेशंस. ये डेल्टा एच कैलकुलेशन सिर्फ एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन ही करना पड़ता है. 2 मोल्स है तो मल्टीप्लाई 2 करना है बस. यू हैव टू डू प्रोडक्ट का टोटल, रिएक्टेंट का टोटल, तो माइनस करना पड़ता है. कभी बॉन्ड एंथैल्पी देते, कभी फॉर्मेशन एंथैल्पी देते. ओके, सो मेनली थर्मोडायनामिक्स में these 3 topics enough. One is delta G, W reversible, W irreversible. अभी just formulas I am telling. बुक में पढ़ने का कुछ नहीं है. ये formulas, ये दोनों formulas का delta H minus T delta S वो condition लास्ट में एक टेबल दिया था. When delta S is positive, delta H is positive, delta G क्या हो सकता है? This type of. Okay, then solid state. See, solid state में NCERT one table is given. Starting one table is there. In that types of solids, one table is there. This is one. The second one is density formula, just formula enough. Next, third one is FCC and simple cubic. Okay, BCC. इसमें नंबर ऑफ एटम्स क्या है, वो एटम्स कहां होता है. ओके, जस्ट नंबर ऑफ एटम्स. इफ यू नो नंबर ऑफ एटम्स, ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड्स तो पता चलेगा, देन टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड्स इससे डबल हो जाएगा. नंबर ऑफ एटम्स x है तो a भी x होगा, ये तो 2x होगा. ओके, बस इतना कॉन्सेप्ट इनफ है. इसमें पता चलना है FCC में कितना एटम्स है, simple cubic and BCC. Okay, A and R the relation, radius and edge length relation. See, I am not telling all concept, just I told you here. One is table, the second one density एक formula, हियर छोटा फार्मूला होगा ए एंड आर रिलेशन, एक बीसीसी में एक रिलेशन होगा, एफसीसी में एक रिलेशन होगा, सिंपल क्यूबिक में ए इक्वल टू आर. I told you FCC face centered 4R equal to root 2A. BCC body centered 3 parts 4R equal to root 3A. बस हो गया, बस इतना ही फार्मूला. ओके, फेस सेंटर्ड, बॉडी सेंटर्ड, सिंपल क्यूबिक में क्या है, A equal to R. 3 formulas over. Octahedral voids, tetrahedral voids, number of atoms. BCC सिंपल क्यूबिक में एक ही होता है, BCC में 2, FCC में 4. राइट, ये फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री है. 1 2 3 4 5% from physical chemistry we can expect. These are the topics. You may think that sir इतना चैप्टर तो है. Of course 5 chapters are there, but वो चैप्टर में मैं स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक दे रहा हूं. ओके, राइट. The last time ऑर्गेनिक में, जनरल केमिस्ट्री में उसमें दिया था अराउंड 7 क्वेश्चंस, इसमें 5 क्वेश्चंस, 7 5 12 क्वेश्चंस हो गया. अभी इनऑर्गेनिक का 2-3 टॉपिक्स आई विल गिव. इनऑर्गेनिक में एस ब्लॉक, in the S block सोडियम, पोटेशियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम. इसका बायोलॉजिकल एक्टिविटी लास्ट पैराग्राफ्स में दिया था, ठीक है, उसमें थोड़ा ध्यान दे दो बस. ओके, आफ्टर दिस एक सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट प्रिपरेशन, सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट प्रिपरेशन. ओके, बस रिमेनिंग तो रिएक्टिविटी तुमको पता ही होगा. नेक्स्ट पी ब्लॉक. पी ब्लॉक में एक 13th 14th 15th ग्रुप, देन 16th 17th 18th ग्रुप. देखो 13 14 15 में मैक्सिमम 13th ग्रुप में बोरान इज इंपॉर्टेंट. बोरान में दैट इज B2H6, रिगार्डिंग B2H6. ओके, वो B2H6 डायबोरेन का स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, देन मैक्सिमम रिगार्डिंग B2H6. नेक्स्ट 14th ग्रुप में, द 14th ग्रुप कार्बन, सिलिकॉन, जर्मेनियम, टिन लेड. इसमें just solve some questions from material, that's enough. इसमें we cannot say particular. एक सिलिकॉन से पूछते, सपोज ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया था SiO2 का ज्योमेट्री एंड हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. what we will do the mistake, it is similar to CO2, so Sp, no, it is tetrahedral. Okay, this type of exceptions are there already. If you go through that, that's better once you go revision. Okay, पहले नहीं पढ़े तो अभी छोड़ दो. Okay, then here 17th group halogens, and 15th group is there. Here 15th group में nitrogen and phosphorus. Nitrogen and phosphorus is very important. Nitrogen and phosphorus. Here oxy acids, structure पता चलना है. Okay, then mainly structure if you know, remaining things easily you can do that. कभी एसिडिक ऑक्साइड, न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड वो भी पूछते. ओके, जस्ट concentrated on oxy acids of nitrogen and phosphorus. Then as well here sulfur also same, oxy acids. halogens में Halogens में fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine is there. Here interhalogens एक था, interhalogens as well. Here also hybridization and structure. इतना तो ध्यान दे दो, वो केमिकल बॉन्डिंग में ऑलरेडी आ गया था. एक क्वेश्चन ये टॉपिक से आ रहा है. ओके, देन 18th inert gases. Inert gases में only xenon compounds, only xenon compounds. Okay, right here we can expect. See, topic तो लेंथी है but NCERT maximum NCERT है. You go through the all tables. Text book में tables दिया है. Go through that tables. Now 2 topics I skipped. Just I will tell you those 2 topics. One is metallurgy. Metallurgy. उसमें भी स्पेसिफिक है. Purification of metals. Metallurgy में purification of metal. Aluminium, then here nickel, then silver or gold. Okay, as well iron is there. Okay, these methods are there. In the methods as well, sulfur. Okay, right, some methods are there. Example, aluminium में by electrolytic method we will use cryolite. Why we are using the cryolite? Okay, what is the purpose? And here nickel Mons process. Okay, so these processes are there. Those processes important. Just वो पूरा reaction याद रखने का जरूरत नहीं है. But what we are using there, that much important. Okay, right. In the iron, what is a slag? Okay, so the type of questions are there. Just concept important. What we are adding, what is removing. Okay. Next here. Okay, these are the main topics. One is coordination chemistry. I want to coordination chemistry. If you already go through that, again you do the revision. Otherwise, you can skip it. Okay, coordination chemistry also one question we can expect. Coordination chemistry. Carbonyl compounds. How many are there? Viraj, Sakshi. Math students गए, biology students आ गए. Great. Okay. और कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते.